How to fix YouTube video not playing on iPhone. Tap on a video and nothing plays. Here's how to fix YouTube videos not playing on your iPhone. Go to the App Store and check for any pending updates for YouTube. An outdated version can cause playback issues. Under iPhone settings, go to Screen Time and disable any content restrictions that may block YouTube playback. If all else fails, reset your network settings. This won't delete your data but will refresh all Wi-Fi and network connections. That should get your videos back to play normally. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.